Imagine a whimsical, enchanting world where the snow glistens under the glow of twinkling lights, and the air is filled with the soft sound of jingle bells. This is the world of the North Pole, the legendary home of Santa Claus. Today, we take you on a delightful journey to explore an intriguing thought. If you had the choice, would you prefer to build toys with the elves or bake cookies with Mrs. Claus? Firstly, let us consider the vibrant workshop of the elves. These skilled craftsmen are the very heart of Santa's operations, transforming ideas into tangible forms of joy. Building toys with the elves is no ordinary task. It is an experience that combines creativity, craftsmanship, and a little sprinkle of magic. Imagine the clatter of tools and the hum of precision machinery as tiny hands expertly assemble the latest toys. There's a satisfaction that comes from working amidst such enthusiasm and camaraderie, with colorful toy parts scattered all around. It is an environment where innovation meets tradition, creating not just toys, but cherished memories for children around the world. With every twist of a screwdriver or the gentle placement of a new piece, you add to the anticipation and wonder that toys bring on Christmas morning. On the other hand, baking cookies with Mrs. offers its own distinct charm. Picture a cozy kitchen, the aroma of cinnamon and vanilla wafting through the air, welcoming you into a world where warmth meets sweetness. Mrs. Claus is a culinary artist, her knowledge passed down through generations, and her recipes are the stuff of legend. Baking with Mrs. Claus allows you to immerse yourself in the simple joys of cooking, where sugar, spice, and everything nice come together to create delectable treats. Each cookie is a testament to the love and care poured into the process, destined to bring smiles to faces young and old. In Mrs. Claus's kitchen, you learn the art of patience, the precision of baking, and the secret ingredient of love that makes every bite special. Both experiences, though different, are equally rewarding. Building toys satisfies the creative spirit, a manifestation of art and engineering combined. It's an opportunity to innovate, to bring life to materials and create joy from emotion. Meanwhile, baking is an exercise in the creation of delight through flavor. Each cookie a testament to the warmth of giving and the sweetness of sharing. Both embody the essence of the holiday spirit, rooted in generosity, warmth, and the magic of giving. Ultimately, the choice between building toys with the elves or baking cookies with Mrs. Claus is a reflection of personal preference. Do you lean towards the tangible satisfaction of creating something enduring, or are you more drawn to the ephemeral joy of crafting delicious moments? Either path you choose leads to an experience richly interwoven with the fabric of Christmas tradition. Whether you find yourself amidst the buzzing workshop or the comforting kitchen, remember that each contributes magnificently to the joyous tapestry of the holiday season. Whichever path you take, embrace the spirit of the North Pole, where magic thrives and happiness is made by hand or by heart.